Hello everyone, welcome to the SNS Coders. Hey guys, in this video we will discuss how to disable an warning message. Sometimes we will get like Microsoft has enabled security defaults to keep your account secure. And another error message we will get in our SharePoint designer. Your account is in bad status. Sometimes you will get it. So we will discuss how to resolve it. So first we will go to our SharePoint site. Then we will enter our credential after. So now I will copy my username, then my password. So here you can see that error message. Your organization needs more information to keep your account secure. And in below you can see that skip for now option for teaser until it is required. So this message we will get for Microsoft authentication enable security. So just we will skip for now option and then we can know and we will get to redirect to our site. So now we will go to SharePoint Designer to see what will be happen if multi-factor authentication is there. So just copy your site URL, then open it. It will take some time to open. So just copy your username. So we will give our password. So here you can see that error messages found your account is in bad status and please sign into this account online to address the issue. So this error message we will get in SharePoint Designer. So by default, Microsoft turn on enable security default for the new Office 365 scenes. Since the security default is enabled and all the users will get that promote to complete the multi-factor authentication during the registration process. But a few companies might not want to enable the MFA, multi-factor authentication, by default for some users. So if we want to disable the Microsoft security default Office 365 error, so I will show you how to disable it. So we will just close it. Then click on that icon and we will go to admin center. In admin center, in the bottom of the screen, you can take show all. Then scroll down just and click on Azure Active Directory. Then just skip for now. No. So you will hear in Azure Active Directory. So just click on Azure Active Directory. Then just scroll down and click on Properties option. And on the right on the right on the side, just scroll down. And here you can see Manage Security Default option. Just click on it. So here you can see the instruction that is given. Security default is a set of basic identity security mechanism by Microsoft when it's enabled. So just click on it, click on no option. So just give it other why you are disable it security default, and just give some reason. Okay. So we will save it. It will take some time to save and will be reflected in your account after some time. Okay, guys. So after 5 minutes, we will check that the setting we will made are reflected or not in other applications. So just log into our site. Okay. So here you can see that error message is not shown. Okay. So just click on no. So we will able to see our site. Okay. So now we will go to SharePoint Designer. So just log in with our site. Here in open site we can paste our URL and open our site. Okay, so it will take some time. So look like it working. So see that we will able to access our site in SharePoint Designer. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel.